Welcome to the lesson that will demonstrate how to submit evidence that you should get a badge for computer design that will show up in Schoology. So what you're going to do is go to the direction page, and I'm going to go ahead and open up an example of what this looks like. So what I've done is for every single badge, I state what needs to be done in order to earn it. And then down below, I have an example of what could be written to justify why you should get the badge. You will want to have your computer design portfolio open, and you will go through your projects and look for any evidence that shows you should have a certain badge. So here's an example of the website that I created, and it definitely indicates that I have good design, and that happens to be one of the badges. So I'll go ahead and open that up. And on this particular project, I would have gotten an A++++. And it's just an amazing site. It represents all elements of carp design, and so it's just beautiful. So here's the justification that I provided after I read the expectations. I wrote, I have made several websites that have incorporated good design throughout the site. I have contrast, alignment, repetition, and proximity throughout my projects. You can look at my cafe website and see how visually appealing my project turned out. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select that. I will right click and choose copy. And on the directions page, there's a survey. So I'll go ahead and open up that survey. I will fill in the information, first name, last name. And then in the badge section, I will put design. And then I'll go ahead and paste this down here, right click and paste in the justification. And then I need a hyperlink to the project. If there is no hyperlink to your project, then you would leave that blank. But it is to your advantage if you have a hyperlink to set that up. So I will go to the website, I'll go to my home page, I will select the website address, right click and choose copy. I will go to that survey and I will right click and choose paste, and then I will submit. The reason that you don't have to provide a link for everything is the typing badge is an example of where there is no link. The teacher would have to actually look that up. Clip art, you would definitely need a link to that. Photography, I would need a link maybe to your photography portfolio. These have to be your personal photos, not from professionals. The coding example would require you to do a screen recording showing that you have completed the express hour of code, and that video happens to be on the coding assignment. Coding could also include a Scratch game or other evidence of coding. Helpful, that's an example of where you wouldn't have a hyperlink. You would just justify how have you been helpful in class. Risk taker, again, no hyperlink for that one. The image editing, I would need evidence of a link showing your work. And then independent, again, you're not going to have any hyperlink. Teamwork, no link expectation for that. Are you respectful, productive, punctual, participation? So as you can see, a lot of these you will not have a hyperlink for those. This concludes the session on how to submit evidence that you should have a badge. Until next time, you have a wonderful day.